Hey friends, and welcome back. So today I'm excited to have partnered with Fabfitfun to share with you their new fall 2019 box. And if you're new to my channel and not familiar with Fabfitfun, they are my absolute favorite subscription service. It is a seasonal box. It comes out 4 times a year. Boxes are $49.99, but always include products that retail over $200. So an amazing value. You always get full size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products. Fabfitfun is now available in the US, the UK, and Canada. So for all my viewers that aren't in the US, yes, you can now get a Fabfitfun box too, and they are amazing. Fabfitfun also now offers the opportunity to customize some of the items in your box. So some of the things in here I already knew about because I picked them out myself. So I'm really excited to share with you guys what I got in my fall box. So of course, first always the Fabfitfun magazine, and this is helpful because it includes information on all of the products, how you can use them. I'm gonna go ahead and open to the what's in the box page so that I can share with you the retail value of all of these products. Now let's dig into the fall goodies. So I actually picked this item out. This was one of the customizable items. It is from Amika. This is their Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. Ooh. The packaging kind of matches my top today. Oh, and so does the straightener. I love it. I really needed a new ceramic straightener. The one I'm using now I've had for probably like almost a decade. Oh my God, that makes me feel so old. But yes, I've had it for almost 10 years, so I definitely needed to upgrade. So I was excited to see this as one of the fall box options. So this straightener retails for $80, 100% ceramic plates, so super safe for your hair. And it's just gorgeous. Look at it, you guys. I love the color. It kind of has like a diamond embossed texture on it. Love how thin it is. It's really easy to hold. This retails for $80, you guys. So this alone pays for the entire cost of your box. Amazing. So I'm really excited about that. I can't wait to use it. The next item in my fall box is from Wander Beauty, and I have tried these before and they are amazing. They are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. And this is 6 pairs, which is awesome. So each of the gold eye masks obviously individually wrapped, which is amazing, like almost an entire week of eye masks. These work so well. They have hyaluronic acid, so they're going to moisturize and plump that skin under your eyes, make them look healthy and fresh. I love to use these because you guys know I always complain about my under eyes. They are just so baggy and dark, so under eye masks, a total lifesaver. And this brand, Wander Beauty, is amazing. So this 6-pack of gold eye masks retails for $25. Next up is from Human and Kind, and this is their Body Souffle. Really good size squeeze bottle of moisturizer. So let's check this out. It does say this brand is vegan and cruelty-free, which is awesome. Always love to see that. So let's smell. You guys know I'm like big on smell. Ooh, it's nice. Has a really fresh, it's almost like a cucumbery type smell. It's very fresh and nice. Not greasy. You guys know it always has to go through the greasy check. I hate greasy moisturizers. This is a really nice moisturizing but non-greasy lotion. Makes the skin feel really satiny smooth, so I love that. Really important for fall, obviously, as we head into the drier, colder weather. My skin gets super dry, so we need all the moisturizers. This retails for $18. So next in the fall box, I got the Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse, and I could smell these as soon as I opened my box. I love the packaging, super cute. These retail for $16. And they are a really fun way to exfoliate in the shower. So you just take one of your little sugar cubes out. Oh my gosh, they're like squishy. I love that. And you can use this to exfoliate everywhere in your body and rinse it off, and you're gonna smell amazing, be exfoliated and moisturized. Oh my God, I wish that these were candy. They smell so amazing. They kind of remind me of the peach gummy rings. They smell so good. So I cannot wait to use these to exfoliate in the shower. Really important to exfoliate, especially in the fall as we head into winter. Get rid of all that dead skin from summer and start with new, fresh skin. Next we have the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Love Aveda hair products. They are amazing. This retails for $30. So it has quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy, and it instantly repairs and protects your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees. So I will definitely be applying this to damp hair, blow drying, and then using my new Amika hair straightener. So I absolutely love this. I think I've actually used this Aveda hair product before and really, really liked it. Great product as we head into fall. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking cute. So next are these adorable earrings from BaubleBar. I love BaubleBar. And these are the Farah ear crawlers. Let me see. They are $34. So here's what the BaubleBar Farah ear crawler earrings look like. So fun. They are gold with like a faux diamond accent. And obviously you put them in and then they run all the way up your earlobe. So it gives you that look like you have multiple piercings when you only have one. I just think that they're really fun. I actually put one of the earrings in so that you could see what it looks like on the ear. It's really pretty, a fun statement piece, very sparkly and blingy. It's a lot prettier in person than I think it's showing up on the camera. It's just very fun for fall, pretty statement earring. I will say it is like the longest ear crawler I've ever seen, so if you have a smaller ear, it may not work for you. Mine runs all the way from my piercing up to like the bottom of my cartilage, as you can see, but just really fun. I think it's really pretty. Okay, so next up in the fall box are these mini eye essentials from Tretique. And this 4-piece set comes with a mini brow pencil, 2 mini shadow crayons, and a mini eye pencil. So you're going to get a full eye look. You're going to have the eyeshadow, the brow pencil, and the eyeliner. So that's really neat. All of them are in really nice neutral colors. So these retail for $48. And let me show you guys. Ooh, they're super cute. Like little crayons. So first up is the mini eyeliner in Santorini Black Sand. And this is super small and easy to use. I love that. So that's the eyeliner. Nice pigmentation. Love the size. That would be great for travel. Then you have 2 eyeshadow crayons. One in Morimoto Pink Pearl and one in Kona Coffee. So a really great crease color. Wow, super pigmented, really satiny soft. The Kona Coffee, as you can see, is like a really deep mocha brown. Wow, those really glide on nicely. And this one is just a beautiful, like metallic champagne. So great for like a highlight, a lid color. Love that, beautiful set. And then the final pencil is for your brows, and this is just in a universal brown. It has a really nice fine tip so that you can get a precise brow line. And there it is right there. You can see it's more of a like muted taupey brown color. This will create a beautiful neutral fall eye look. So loving this set from Tretique. So the final item in my fall box I actually picked out as well because I thought it was so cute. It is from Twine Living Company, and it is their gourmet wooden ceramic cheese board gift set. It retails for $30. The ceramic plate is removable. This is an acacia wood cheese plate. It does have stainless cutlery included with it. So I'm just really excited about this. It's going to be great for entertaining, fall parties, Thanksgiving, things like that. I just thought it was a beautiful set, so I was really happy that this was one of the customizable options. So you can see a beautiful acacia wood serving platter. A ton of rich color and texture and grain, just gorgeous. The ceramic plate is removable, so you can take this right off and clean it up. And then of course the gorgeous stainless steel cutlery, and it's in this really pretty like bronzy rose gold finish. So I just love it. It's so pretty for fall. I was really excited about this. So that was everything in my Fabfitfun Fall 2019 box. I was really impressed. I love that I got to choose a lot of the bigger ticket items for this season's box. We'll be including a coupon code in the description box to get $10 off of your first Fabfitfun box. You guys definitely want to check that out. Never disappoints. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite item was in my fall box. And until next time, guys, bye.